Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make Baltic rectangle on another rectangle using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. First I'll create a new file, I'll create another new file, Control S, index.html, index.css, index.js, save as, index.css, index.js. So I'll write HTML link href is equal to index.css script source is equal to index.js. So now I'll create a div. Give this one ID of bank. I'll make another div, and this one give this one ID of floor. And now I'll style each of them. So I'll write hashtag bank. I'll make the width to be 100 pixels, the aspect ratio to be 1:1, background color to be cornflower blue, and then for the floor, I'll make the width to be 100%, the height to be 100 pixels, and the background color to be crimson. Save. Go to browser, Control O to open. Documents. MG index.html, and there we go. Yeah, let me just make this 105%. And then set their positions to absolute. And so I'll remove this. There we go. Now create two variables. Floor is equal to document get element by ID floor bank is equal to document get element by ID bank floor function don't, it doesn't contain any arguments. Alright, set interval don't, 24. Now this doesn't do anything, so I'll make an array called floor. I'll make an array called bounce, and this array contains 3 elements: the starting x position, the starting y position, and finally the starting and the speed, the x speed and the y speed. Also the acceleration. The x speed, the y speed, and the acceleration. So hashtag floor, which is 105%. I'll set the top to 10%. I mean the bottom -1%. Actually -10%. That's a bit too much. Let me increase the height. I'll set the left to 10%, means negative 10%. I'll increase the width. There we go. So now I write bank 0, and the position 0 is the x position. I'll set the starting x position to, I don't know, 500, 500. So write bank dot style dot left is equal to $sign bank 0 pixels. No, it actually I'll set the style dot left to 50%. Whatever, to bank 0 pixels, and then I'll set the style dot right to bank 1 pixels. Oh, it's not working. Whoops! I should have named this. Okay, I should have named this to bank P. Oh, they have the same variable names. Oh, why did I do that? Bank P. Now it's working. Now what I want is that I want the bank P dot x. Then not the acceleration. The acceleration will be increasing by 0.1, and then the y. No, wait, is this? Now the last one is acceleration. Index 4 is acceleration, while index 1 is the y position. And so I'll increase it by the acceleration, which is index 4. Oh, so it's working again. Whoops, this is meant to be plus equals. And then this, oh, it's not working. I forgot to set the position to this, and now it should work. Whoops, it meant to be the top. Let me set this top to 0. Now it's working, hooray! Now I'm going to write if then bank P 1, which is the y position, is greater than floor dot get bounding client rect dot y, then set the y position. Wait a minute, set the acceleration bank P4 to, I don't know, -5, and oops, I need to put this here, and hooray, it works. I think I need to set this to be a little higher, and now I need to write plus bank P, plus bank dot get bounding client rect dot height, and it bumps a little bit too high, so I'll set this to -5, and hooray. But I think I should increase the acceleration. It accelerates a little too slowly. Oh great, now this has been reduced to -15 to -8. Now it works. Now we don't have to do the collision detection for any other parts though. Since, well, yeah. Now set the bound P0, which is the X position. I will just increase it by 1. Or maybe I can increase by the acceleration bound P4. Oh, just this does this. Mass.abs. Now I want it to be so that if the X position plus this dot width, if it's greater than the screen's width, window dot inner width, set the X position to 0. Actually, set the X position to negative this dot width. That should do it. Oops, let me remove the plus. There we go. Oh, let me multiply this by 2 since this is too slow. There we go. Finally, I'll set the background color. Color picker. Make this to be a lighter version of cornflower blue. Hashtag C9 blah blah blah. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.